Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see what is Microsoft Defender for App Service. Azure App Service is a fully managed platform for building and hosting the web apps and APIs without worrying about having to manage the infrastructure. It provides management, monitoring, and operational insights to meet enterprise-grade performance, security, and compliance requirements. If you want to read more about Azure App Service, please go and check out Microsoft documentation. Now, Microsoft Defender for App Service uses the scale of the cloud to identify attacks, targeting applications running over app services. Attackers probe web applications to find and exploit weaknesses. Before being routed to specific environments, requests to applications running in Azure go through several gateways where they are inspected and logged. This data is then used to identify exploits and attackers and learn new patterns that will be used later. By using the visibility that Azure has as a cloud provider, Defender for Cloud analyzes app service internal logs to identify attack methodology on multiple targets. For example, methodology includes widespread scanning and distributed attacks. This type of attack typically comes from a small subset of IPs and shows patterns of crawling to similar endpoints on multiple hosts. Now let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Alright, I'm logged on to the portal. So when you enable the app service plan, Defender for Cloud assesses the resources covered by your app service plan and generates security recommendations based on its findings. So you will see those recommendations here under Defender for Cloud. Alright, now it is giving recommendations for access, implementation, secure network. If you have Microsoft Defender for Cloud and you have enabled the plan for apps, which is Defender for Apps, you would be able to see recommendations for all the app services running into your Azure tenant. Because I don't have any app services configured running, I don't see those recommendations. Defender for Cloud would protect the VM instance in which your app service is running and the management interface. It will also monitor requests and responses sent to and from your apps running in the app service. Now, if I am running a Windows-based app service plan, Defender for Cloud also has access to the underlying sandboxes and virtual machines. Now, how will you protect the app services, web apps and APIs? Now, ensure that you have a supported app service plan that is associated with dedicated machines, and you enable for Defender on your subscription. And you can optionally enable only the Defender for App Service plan as well. Alright. Now Defender for Cloud is natively integrated with App Service, eliminating the need for deployment and onboarding. Now if you see the environment settings here, same way that I showed you to enable Defender for servers, you go here to your subscription. You see Defender plans under settings. Here it is, app service. I've turned it on, but I do not have an instance. It says 0 instances, right? So if I deploy the app service, I would be charged $15 per instance per month. You can check the details as well. And I would see the recommendation when it goes through all the scanning and I see the recommendations, the vulnerabilities, security measures that I should take. Alright, so I hope this session was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day ahead.